Come to the another question, that is 7. We have a godown in which we have to put some wooden crates. The dimension of godown is 40, 25 and 15 meter. So volume of godown. That is length, breadth and height. 40, 25 and 15. 25 into 40, 400, so 1000 into 15, so it is 15,000 meter cube. And the volume of one wooden crate. That is also length, breadth and height. The dimension for this wooden crate is 1.25 meter, 1.25 meter and 0.5 meter. Remove this digit 0, 1, 2 and 3. So multiply these values, okay, or you use these values with this value, okay. Then number of crates, that is volume of godown upon volume of crate, one crate. It is 40, 25 and 15, and here 15, 125 and 5 upon 40, 1, 2 and 1. Now see, 15 to 15 cut, 125 to 5, 5 to 2, 5 to 2. Now it is 40 into 2 into 2, 4 into 100, 400. So total number of crates we can accommodate in that godown is 16,000. This much crates we can put in that godown. Okay, now come to the 8th. 8th one. Question number 8 is saying a solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 equal volume, 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? So like we have a cube, okay, this is a front face of the cube which has 12 centimeter long side. This has to be cut into 8 into small cube. This side is this, okay. So volume of big cube equals to 8 into volume of a small cube. This is length cube, 8 into its length is, we have taken a cube. This length is 12 centimeter cube, that is 8a cube. This 8 can be written as 8 is in 2 cube. So 12 cube equals to 2 cube a cube. This can be combined to 2a whole cube, that is 12 cube. Because the exponent is similar, so bases are equal, therefore 2a equals to 12, then a equals to 6 centimeter. Therefore side of new cube is 6 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the ratio between the surface area of both the cubes. Now surface area of big cube ratio surface area of small cube. It is 6L square and it is 6A square. This 6 and 6 will cut. L is 12 square and 6 square. You expand it, 12 into 12, ratio 6 into 6. 6 to 12 cut 2 times, this 6 to 12 cut 2 times. So 2 into 2, ratio 1 into 1, that is 1, 2, that is 2 into 2, 4. So the ratio of their surface area is 4:1. Now come to the last question of this exercise. The ninth one. Here the water is running in a river. The length is means the speed of water. The speed of water, that is 2 kilometer. That means 2000 meter. Okay. Now we have to find how much water will fall in the sea in a minute. The depth of the water river is 3 meter and width is 40 meter. So the length of water is 2000 meter. Breadth is 3 meter. Sorry, breadth is 40 meter and height, the inner depth of the river is 3 meter. Okay, we have to find the volume of water. Volume of water flowing into sea. Flowing into the sea in 1 hour. That is length, breadth and height. The length is 2000 into breadth is 40 and 3. Multiply them, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 2,40,000 meter cube. This much water will fall in 1 minute. Now volume of water flowing in 1 minute, that is total volume divided by 60. 6 4 ja, so it is 4000 meter cube. This much water will fall in the sea in a minute. Okay, this way we have end of this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.